Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is online food order. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which is used to predict whether a person will order food online or not. So here are some parameters which takes the input from the user and is used to predict the value. So for the first parameter, we will enter some age, let's say 20. Then gender male, marital status we will enter single. Then for occupation we will enter teacher, and monthly income let's say 30,000. Educational qualification we will enter BA. Then family size we will enter 4. Then latitude and longitude we will enter some random values, so we will enter this, and pin code, and we will enter some feedback, let's say fast delivery. Then we will click on predict order button, and you can see that the person will not order food from online. So this is the output of this model. You can also see the source file by clicking on this file options, and you can see app.py online food order pickle file, which is used to make this project, and the requirement.txt file. You can also access the source code by clicking on this app.py file, and here you can see all the source code which is used to create this UI in Streamlit. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you, so we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.